Sandeep
Yes,
Garg
in fact, Welspun Enterprises was another stock that was in focus today because just a while back they came out with an announcement that they've sold 37% of their stake in the Dewas Bhopal Corridor for an enterprise value of 662 crores. Sandeep Garg, the MD of the company, joins us now. Sandeep, can you just give us more details how you have indeed sold this for 662 crores?
Good morning, Lata. Good morning. This is a joint venture we had with Chetak, road corridor Dewas Bhopal, which we have sold to IIF2, which is IDFC sponsored company. We had a debt of about 316 crores on the company, so the company has acquired that debt, and the equity valuation are the balance amount is the equity and the NCA valuation. Now, we've been authorized to sell 74% of the company, so 37 has been sold by us and the balance by the Chetak.
Okay. You've got 662 crores, you said. Of that, is all the money to you, or have you to settle some debt for the company?
As I said, 662 is the enterprise value, out of which 316 crores approximately is the debt which has been taken over by the acquirers.
Okay.
And the balance is the valuation for the equity, NCA, and the mezzanine debt, and out of which 74% has been sold. 26% is remaining with the promoter group.
So what do you make? You make 240 crore?
We make...
or half of that?
Half of that.
Okay. So 120 crores is what you have made?
Yeah, 120 crores approximately is what we have made.
Okay, and you still own 13% stake in Dewas, right? So what will you be doing with that stake?
See, we have a right to sell this provided we get an approval from MPSRDC to sell the stake. We can sell it to IF2 in next 2 years.
You think you will? Is there any rule that will prevent you from selling it off?
As you may know, Lata, that the NHAI and the ministry has come up with the proposal that after 2 years of operation of boot assets, the concessionaires can 100% exit. So that rule applies in the NHAI and the central sponsored schemes. MP has still not brought in this policy. If they will bring in that policy, we would want to exit.
Okay. What did you put in to build it, Sandeep? You've made 120 crore. Are you in the money?
Yeah, we are in the money.
Okay. How much did you pay? I mean, how much did you invest in this corridor?
See, our equity in the corridor was something like about 51 crores, and we had a debt of about 34 crores.
Okay. So what is the debt on the books of Welspun Enterprises as a whole, and will this money be used to pay down debt?
We are almost debt-free company at this point in time. As I've been telling, that we have been strengthening the balance sheet. We will have a net cash of cash of about 900 crores and a debt of about 200 crores. So our net debt would be about minus 700 crores.
What are you losing by way of concessionaire money, tolls?
In terms of the tolling, for our 50%, the tolling was approximately about 10 lakhs rupees per day, so about 30 crores of revenue.
Okay.
Okay, and therefore this 120 crore just goes to the bottom line of Welspun Enterprises?
It does contribute us, because as I said, there was investment, and there was debt, so there is a substantial portion it will go to the bottom line.
All right. Thanks, Sandeep, for joining us. So that's the word coming in from Welspun Enterprises. They will get 120 crores from the Dewas stake sale, and they still own some portion in the Dewas Bhopal corridor, so they will look to perhaps sell that. They have a time frame of about 2 years or so. So, Darshan, one quick comment on Welspun Enterprises, if you track that stock.